Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install PyCharm on Windows. To install PyCharm, go to a browser and type PyCharm download, enter. Click on the first link. Click on download. Click on save. So the download has started. Okay, so the exe file is around 800 MB. So wait for the download to complete. So once download is complete, go to downloads folder. Double click on the exe. It will first bring up a security prompt. Give yes. Once you give yes, this window will come up. Click on next. Keep the default location and click next. Create desktop shortcut. Check this box. Add bin folder to path. Check this box. So if you check this box, add bin folder to path, you will be able to access the PyCharm from command prompt. Check the box, add open folder as project. So if you check this box, you will be able to open a folder in PyCharm directly by right clicking on it. Check the .py. Click on next. Click on install. Okay, the installation is in progress. Wait for it to complete. Okay, so now the installation is complete. Click on finish. You can also see that a desktop icon is created for PyCharm. Let me double click on it and launch it. So we have successfully downloaded and installed PyCharm on the Windows system and have launched it. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.